Are you glad you're getting paid and you make a lot of money on a high W-2? Well, I want to show you how to use your business or side hustle to reduce your W-2 wages. This is going to help lower your overall income and increase money in your pocket. But before we jump in, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of this wealth building information. Now, let's get after it. When you have a side hustle or a business and you were able to take a loss in that business because maybe you haven't got your business profitable yet, you can utilize that loss to offset your W-2 wages. So for example, if you have a W-2 where you're making $50,000, $60,000, $40,000, or even $100,000, and what if you were able to take a loss in your business, $10,000, $5,000, and reduce your income? That would reduce your taxes. So being able to do that is really going to be helpful from a tax perspective. Writing off your car that you're utilizing for business can help you lower your overall taxes. And you can write off your car when you have a side hustle or business. Many people think they can only write off their vehicle if their business is their main source of income. Absolutely not. You can have a lot of sources of income, but even when you're building your business and it's not quite profitable yet, but you're still in the pursuit of income and it's a legitimate business expense, you can literally write off your car, use it against your W-2 wages, and drop your taxable income. You can use that side hustle business and create yourself an employer-sponsored retirement account and be able to take down your taxable income from your W-2 wages. Let's say you don't have a retirement account on your regular job, but you get a side hustle going, you contribute to a retirement account through your side hustle, and you're able to lower your taxable income and put money to the side for your retirement. This is going to be literally cash in your pocket. You got to be able to control your income by not making less income, but reporting less income on your taxes. Health savings accounts are great vehicles to utilize when you have a side hustle or business to offset W-2 wages. A health savings account is where you can set up an account, set some money to the side, tax-free, and utilize that money for prescriptions, for going to the doctor, for co-pays, and be able to get a great tax deduction. This can always be done through your side hustle, through your business, and take that taxable income down even lower. Thinking about ways to maximize your business deductions, things that are already coming out of your pocket, are going to be really helpful, especially when you have high W-2 wages and you're trying to bring it down for tax purposes. Business expenses that you are paying personally need to be ran through your business account. Many of you have started your side hustles, you started your businesses, and you're paying for things like your cell phone, like your home internet connection. You're paying for a lot of things that you're using to build your side hustle, but you don't know how to get it as a tax write-off. The way you get it as a tax write-off is you create on your tax return a business on Schedule C. You can be a sole proprietor on Schedule C. As long as you're in the pursuit of income, you have a legitimate business idea, these are ordinary and necessary expenses that you need to utilize for business, you can get those personal expenses reclassified as business expenses and get a tax write-off and lower your taxable income. Don't you want more cash in your pocket so you can have more money to utilize? Of course you do. So utilize that side hustle to reduce your tax liability. Income shifting is another great tool that you can utilize when you have that side hustle or business to offset your W-2 wages. Let me explain to you how that works. What if you took some of your W-2 wages and you used it to fund your business because you're developing your business, you're starting out, and you decide you want to pay your minor kids through your business. You're going to shift your income from W-2 wages over to an investment in your business, pay your minor children and get a tax deduction. Let your kids pay for their own baseball fees. Let your kids pay for their own cheerleading fees because they've earned money by working in your business, and now you can get a tax deduction. You've lowered your taxable income, more money in your pocket. You've taught your kids how to work, and you are learning how to manage your taxes. And guess what? You're learning how to use that side hustle to reduce your overall income. When you are having high W-2 wages and you need to get yourself a refund, realize you can set up a business because you're in the pursuit of income. You are, right? Most people are in the pursuit of income. You're in the pursuit of income. Therefore, you can do several things to reduce that taxable income. You can write off your car. You can reclassify personal expenses to business expenses. You can put your kids on payroll. You can use a HSA account, health savings account, and you can even set up a retirement plan. These are going to be things you're going to need anyway. You might as well get a tax deduction. And that is why you might as well like, comment, and subscribe, because you can't afford to miss out on this wealth building information. None of us can. If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you, and I want to give you an added bonus. I want you to realize it is okay to work a W-2 job, a full-time job, and have a business on the side. I think a lot of people think that it's either or. When I was first starting out, I had a full-time W-2 job working 8 until, and I still had a side hustle going. The business that I own today, I was building back then. So you want to understand that you can have that side hustle and you can get tax write-offs by having that side hustle. Don't think it has to be either or. You can absolutely do both, because let's just keep it real. None of us can afford to quit our full-time job and just jump into a business and say, here I am. I'm a business owner. At least I couldn't. And if you could, I want you to comment because I want to get to know you. You must be independently wealthy.